So hi all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. We have our student Sanjana with us, who joined Quant Masters Academy last year, and today she's placed in three best companies. One is TCS, one is Wipro, and the other is Mu Sigma. Okay. So hi Sanjana,
Hi, sir.
how are you doing?
I'm doing good, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So Sanjana, you know that your juniors right now, the ones who are passing out in 2021, have NQT coming 24th, 25th, and 26th of October.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we thought is we could collect your experience, and that would help them with respect
Yes,
to
sir. Sure.
placement preparation. Okay, so we would like to know with respect to TCS, though I know you're selected in Mu Sigma also, Wipro also, but for today we will confine it to only TCS NQT.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, so please let us know how was the round, what was the first round about, what was the second round about, what was the third round about in detail.
Yeah. So the first round was the online test, basically. So there are four different sections in that test. The first one is the aptitude, then logical reasoning, and then English, and the final round is coding. Uh, the first round was aptitude, and the major topics that you have to focus on for aptitude was pipes and cisterns, time and work, and in geometry they asked a few questions about areas,
Mhm.
um, and they asked about time and work.
Mhm.
Major questions were about time and work, pipes and sisters, and this geometry thing.
Mhm.
But few questions that can be expected are from profit and loss, then from average, clocks and calendars.
Okay.
So yeah, that according to me, those were the major topics that has to be focused on.
Okay.
Then in English, English was pretty simple, and they asked few questions like find the error in the given sentence. Then they'll give you a paragraph and they'll ask you to fill in the blanks with
Mhm.
appropriate words. Then antonyms, synonyms. Yeah, that was it for English, I guess.
So that
Um,
paragraph thing that you told, fill in the blanks and all, that is called closed test. So they'll give a
oh, okay.
paragraph and you have to fill it. That is called
Yes, sir.
closed
Yes, sir.
test.
I didn't know the. Yeah.
Okay.
Then the next round was logical reasoning, in which a few questions related to blood relation. Then find the odd one out was asked. Then you need to fill the number in a given series. Um, so and there were few questions about directions using in logical reasoning actually.
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
And what about syllogisms? All animals are
Yeah. I don't remember that well, but I guess
one
it
or
was
two
asked.
questions would
Yeah,
have
one or
come.
two questions were
Questions
asked,
would have
maybe.
come. Correct, correct.
Yeah.
And what about data interpretation? Had they asked from data interpretation? They had given
Uh,
graphs and all.
no, so I didn't have any data interpretation questions.
Okay, okay. So basically, how was the level of difficulty of logical section?
Logical was pretty okay, but I felt aptitude was a little tough.
The quant
In
part.
my in the quants part was a little tough.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So you told that in quant part they asked on time and work, they asked on profit and loss. Basically, they concentrated more on time and work, pipes and systems,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes.
on geometry part, that is find the area, volume,
Yeah, yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Mhm.
The
And even average, they asked problems on average, profit and loss.
yeah, profit and loss was asked, but average I don't think so. I mean, it was not there for me.
Okay, average was not there.
Yeah.
And what about simple interest, compound interest? Do you remember?
Mm, no, sir.
Not much, hardly one.
I guess one question or something.
Okay, only one was
Yeah.
asked.
Oh, one or two questions max. I
But
don't
the
remember
main
properly.
topics is pipes and systems, time and work, profit and loss,
Yeah,
and
profit and
geometry part.
areas. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
these are the main topics in
Yeah.
quant part.
And ages also. They had asked few questions on ages.
Age problems.
Yeah, age problems.
Okay, okay. And
Yeah.
logical part, you mean to say in logical part, blood relations,
Mm.
missing number in the series, odd one
Yeah.
out,
Yeah.
directions was
Yeah.
asked, and one question on syllogism, one or two questions on
Yeah. Yes,
syllogism
sir.
was asked.
Yes, sir.
Calendars was asked.
Yeah, that was in quants.
Quant only they had asked. Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
calendars, clocks and calendars.
clocks and calendars. Okay. And verbal part also, you told that error detection was asked, find the error in the sentence.
Yes, sir.
Synonyms, antonyms was asked, and reading comprehension based
Yeah,
questions.
reading comprehension was also asked.
How was the verbal part? Was it difficult, easy?
It was easy, sir. You can do it.
Okay.
It was pretty easy. Yeah, according to me, only the quants part was a little tough.
Okay.
Uh, but logical reasoning was moderate and English was very easy.
Quite easy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And after this, you had the coding round.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In coding round, I was asked a question like they've given you a set of numbers, like consider it as an array.
Hmm.
You need to find the sum of the numbers or the digits that are placed in the odd and the even positions, and you need to find the difference between them.
Okay.
The sum of the numbers that was placed in the odd position in the array, and the even position, and
Hmm.
then the difference between them.
Okay.
So this was my question. Yeah, it was pretty simple, and I cleared a few test cases also.
Okay.
So yeah, that was.
So did you clear all the test cases or
No, sir, I didn't clear all of them. I just cleared a few.
but more than 50%? No,
Yeah,
more than 50%. So I think
yeah.
to clear the coding round, at least 60 to 70% of the test cases, if they clear, then their chances will be high.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. And we
Actually,
even
they focus more on coding round, according to me. I'm
okay.
not that sure, but coding is what they focus on, is what I think.
Okay. And many of your friends got rejected because they couldn't perform well in one section because
Yes,
there is
sir.
sectional cutoffs.
Yeah, yeah,
Correct. So you have to be good at all the sections.
yeah. You need to be good in all the sections.
Correct. Correct. So this was about the first round. That is
Yeah.
the online test.
Yes, sir.
So after you cleared this, the same day technical was there or after some time?
No, no. I got a mail later after some time.
Okay.
So that I was called again for an interview. We had
Okay.
2 rounds. One was the technical round and the HR round. If you clear the technical round, you will be asked to go to the HR round.
Okay.
So in technical round, they asked me to write a code of my choice and explain it properly.
Hmm.
Then about that code, I was asked a few questions. Then all few basic SQL questions and everything.
Hmm.
Then my interview, in my technical interview, I was asked a few HR questions as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so but my if I have to talk about my friends, then few questions on Unix was asked, like variety of questions, like it was a panel, so
Hmm.
everybody was going to different person for an interview.
Okay.
So you can't really predict what they're going to ask, but for every person the experience will be
Hmm.
different.
Hmm.
So a few people were asked about Unix. Then few people were asked just about their resume, like whatever they have written in detail.
Hmm.
Then few had both technical and HR like me.
Hmm.
Then few were asked about SQL, DBMS, and everything.
Okay.
So few were asked about Java and different languages. That's all.
Okay. So basically in technical, they're asking even HR based questions. And in technical, if they are, they'll ask you with respect to the language which you're good at.
Yeah, yeah,
Like they ask you to write a code and explain it for us.
yes, sir.
And even they will ask on database management system, they'll ask on Unix. Unix, you mean to say the shell commands, all that
Yes,
we have?
sir. We had it in third semester. Basic Unix commands,
Shell
but
commands. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
only one or two of my friends were asked about it. But that was not expected actually. Unix
Correct.
questions.
Correct. And what
So
about data structures where your friends asked on data structures, stacks, queues, linked list, and all?
they were asked. One of them was asked actually.
So basically,
That
technical round of
you
Infosys,
can be
I
asked anything, like
yeah,
anything related to whatever you have learned in the entire engineering.
correct, correct, correct. So the most important parts is either you know one programming language like
Yeah,
C, C++, Java, .NET, Python, one of
yeah,
the five, or and along with that, know data structures.
yes, sir.
Correct. And apart from that, you should know a bit of DBMS, you should know a bit of networks, operating systems,
Yes,
as well
yes,
as Unix.
yeah.
So if you know this, your chance of clearing the technical round
Technical
will be
round would
more.
be easy. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. So this was about your technical round.
Yes, sir.
So same day you had HR or again a
Yeah, the same day I had HR round
HR
also.
round? Okay.
HR round was basic. They just check your communication skills, your confidence.
Mm.
For me, they asked few. I don't remember the questions properly, but if I tell some answer, they would counter question. So you had to stand on your point, something like that.
Correct. Correct. So if you tell
Yeah,
something, they'll try to dig more into it.
yeah, something like that.
Mm.
So counter question or something.
Counter
Something.
question was there. Yeah.
Yeah. Then few basic questions. Are you willing to relocate, and are you willing to,
Work
are you
over.
okay with the shifts and everything?
Okay.
What do you know about TCS? Why TCS?
Hmm.
All those questions were asked.
Okay. So basically, whatever questions they were asking you apart from this was from your resume itself.
They asked me a few questions from resume as well.
And what
But
about your project? Did they ask you about your project work?
no, sir. I guess, yeah, that could be asked in technical round.
Hmm.
But I wasn't asked about that. As I told, I was asked a programming, and that was it, and a
Okay.
few other questions, simple
Okay.
questions. So
Simple questions. Okay. So basically, write a program in tech. If I come back to technical, they told you to write a So which program did you write?
I wrote, I guess I wrote something reversing a number or palindrome, some question.
And then you explained it.
Yeah, I explained it in detail, like with loops, how it works. So
Okay. Wait, did you do with using a function or without using a function?
I did without using a function.
Without using a function. Okay.
Yeah.
And any other, did they ask the same? The next question were also on C programming itself?
No, sir. I was just asked about I was asked to explain the program in detail, like
No.
every loop with the sample output. I was asked to explain everything in detail, and a few questions were asked, like what should be done if this output is given, something like that.
Okay, they're playing with the codes.
Yeah, they're playing with the code.
Okay, understood. So HR also not major questions were asked, general questions which they ask everywhere. They asked almost the same question to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I think that
HR was pretty simple actually.
Correct. So I feel that in TCS, TCS NQT, if you clear the first round, then the second and third round won't be that difficult.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. No, the first round is the one which matters the most.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so
as there is sectional cutoff, you need to be good in all the sections possible.
Yeah, correct.
At least up to the mark.
Correct. So any suggestions for your juniors who are taking up this time?
I would suggest you examine your quant masters actually. You know that I actually didn't know anything in coding. That's what I felt after taking up a few mock tests before I joined quant masters.
Okay.
So I came there for a week or 10 days probably. But I learned so much that I could clear 3 interviews. I mean, and I got placed in 3 companies. I'm very thankful for that.
And I think there were around 10 to 11 of your friends who had come. And out of 11, 10 people are placed.
Yes, sir.
All the 10, just one girl, she has to do her further studies.
Yeah.
The remaining 10 people all are placed. That is the best part about your group.
Yes, sir.
And you people were our first batch, offline batch when you had come. You people had come to our home itself and we had trained.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that was quite a memorable training month we had last year.
Yes, sir. But what I learned for those 10 days, like, I don't know, I can still implement anywhere I go to any interview possible. Okay. So I'm very grateful for that. And I'm very happy that I was a part of this training.
So for you people, we train for 60 to 65 hours, but now we are training for 120, 130 hours.
Oh,
and
nice.
For technical itself, we are training for 50 hours. 50 hours on technical, we are doing on C. We are doing on C++, data structures, operating systems, networks, everything we are doing.
That is actually very good.
Yeah. And a lot of students have also been placed recently in almost all the companies. Infosys also, your juniors, many people have cleared.
Okay.
Yeah. So
very nice.
Yeah. So Sanjana, thank you very much for your experience. I hope whatever you shared, it will definitely help your juniors and people who are preparing for NQT, which is coming on October 24th to 26th.
I would wish everybody all the best.
Yeah. Yes. Not only for the first round, even what you shared, technical and HR, that will also definitely help them a lot.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, from the student community, I thank you very much for sharing your experience.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for teaching so much and being a constant support throughout. I'm very thankful for it.
That's really nice of you. Thank you, Sanjana. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Take care. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was Sanjana with us, who cleared three companies, not one, not two, but 3 companies. Very dedicated, sincere, hardworking student. Okay, and this was her experience. I'm sure her experience would have helped you at least a bit to prepare well for your TCS NQT. So with this, I wish you all the best. Study well and pass out with flying colors. Thank you.